Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bally Sports step by step clearly. To activate Bally Sports, start by opening the Bally Sports app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Bally Sports. Download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will be greeted with the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to sign up by providing your email and creating a password. After logging in, you may be prompted to select your TV provider. Choose your cable or satellite provider from the list provided. If your provider is not listed, you will need to check for compatibility. After selecting your provider, you will receive a prompt with a unique activation code. Write down or remember this activation code. Next, go to a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for the Bally Sports activation page. You will see a space where you can enter your activation code. Input the code you received from the app. Once the code is entered, click the Activate button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your activation was successful. Return to the Bally Sports app on your device. Log in again if prompted. You are now ready to enjoy your favorite sports content on Bally Sports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.